students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and you have seen my last week videos about the unit 4 of the part A, that was entrepreneur and entrepreneurship skills. I think you all have done your notebook work and your notebook are completed. Your notebook is completed of the computers, and be serious about your notebook because this time your exams in your internal assessment will be based on your notebooks also. And now we are going to start our unit 5, that was a green skills, and in green skills there is a session 1, that is the sustainable development. I think you have read this topic in your science also, maybe it will be clear to you, but here I am giving the overview of this, and by reading this this will be more clear to you. What is the sustainable development? That is, sustainable development is the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. What is the meaning of the sustainable development? Sustainable development is that development, overall development, our economic development, social development, and in every field, if there is a development, that is the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generations. Whenever we are developing something, we are using the resources that are available in the environment. But whenever sustainable development means overall development of the society in economics and the socials and the financial, every field, with using the resources, but it doesn't mean that we are decreasing the natural resources, we are using in excess the natural resources. It means we are doing the development with the limited resources. That means that will be beneficial for the future generations, कि हम future generations के लिए जो sources available हैं हमारे पास, हम उन रिसोर्सेज को अभी सारा यूज़ करके ख़त्म नहीं कर रहे, हम अपनी प्रेजेंट डेवलपमेंट इस बेस पर नहीं कर रहे कि ताकि फ्यूचर जनरेशन वालों को, फ्यूचर जनरेशन में उनको कोई दिक्कत आए. हम इतने सिस्टमेटिक वे में वी आर डूइंग द डेवलपमेंट इन सच अ सिस्टमेटिक वे दैट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर द प्रेजेंट era also and plus for the future era also. That means we are doing the development with the limited resources that are available to us, but it doesn't mean that we are doing something wrong to our future generation. So the main definition is that is the development that meets the needs of the present, जो हमारी प्रेजेंट की नीड्स को कंप्लीट कर रहा है विदाउट कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग द एबिलिटी ऑफ द फ्यूचर जनरेशन, कि हम फ्यूचर जनरेशन्स के साथ कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करें एंड टू मीट देयर ओन नीड्स. उनकी ज़रूरतों को पूरा करने के लिए जो उन्हें रिसोर्सेज चाहिए हम उनसे वो नहीं ले रहे हैं. अपने प्रेजेंट में जो रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल है, इस तरह से सिस्टमेटिक वे में वी आर यूजिंग दैट रिसोर्सेज एंड वी आर डूइंग द ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट इन एवरी फील्ड, बट विदाउट कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग द resources that are available for the future generation. So I think the definition is clear to you. I will make it more clear what is sustainable development. So I think this is clear. Now move to the next topic, that is main definition of the sustainable development. Next we will not discuss the environmental conservation on the from the conventional approach. We will not consider this environmental conservation from the conventional approach. We will just consider the definition of the sustainable development, that is which I told you. According to that, sustainable development is the environment is where we live and the development is we do to improve our life. Then the total is environmental development, but these two are the different words. Environment related to where we live, that is the environment, that is the atmosphere in which we live, and development is that we do the things to improve our lifestyles, to improve our state of living, that is known as the development. So sustainable development related to both, that is totally environmental development related to the sustainable development. Next is all departments and the government agencies like food, energy, employment, investments, etc. are included to make the decisions for maintaining and protecting environment and to find the root cause of the adverse environment effect. When we are discussing on the topic of the sustainable development, then we will consider all the departments and the government policies. all the areas of our related to our life, like the food agencies, energy agencies, employment and energy investment and agencies, and all other agencies. We will take all together, and then we will take the decisions that how we can protect our environment, and we will try to find the root cause of adverse environment effect. What is the main cause that are affecting our environment? So when we will consider all these things together to make the decisions for this. This is all about the sustainable development. Next is, what is the principle of the sustainable development? The next topic is principles of the sustainable development, that on which principles we will try to maintain a sustainable development. The principle of sustainable development are based on the integration of the environmental, social and economic concerns into all aspects of the decision making. It means when we are taking some decisions, then that will be based on the environmental, social and economic concerns. Then we will all together we will take all these issues, and then we will take some decisions. Like that, the principle of the sustainable development I am showing in this diagram like this. In this, first, living within the environmental limits, that we have to live within the limits. We should not cross our limits of the environment, that we should not use excess use of the environment, and we should not destroy the environment resources. Next, achieving sustainable economy. Next, the aim of sustainable development is to promote the good governance. Next, we will use the science responsibly, and after that, ensuring a strong and healthy society. This is the main aim of the sustainable development. On these principles, we will promote this sustainable development. Next is, what are the objectives of the sustainable development? Next is, what are the objectives of the sustainable development? There are the four main objectives of the sustainable development. First is the economic growth. It means there should be a overall economic growth of all the world, that we should build, that according to sustainable development we should be able to build a sufficient land that is available to support and growth and the innovations. All over the world, all the countries should have a sufficient land for the growth and innovation. Next is the environmental protection. The main objective of the sustainable development is the environmental protection, that we should that the main aim is to protect all the natural resources, and we should that should minimize the wastage of the resources, and it should also avoid the pollutions and help to decrease the climate changes and the shift to the low carbon economy. This is the second objective of the sustainable development. Next is the social inclusion. What do you mean by social inclusion? Means that should create a high quality development with the accessible local services for the community to support its health, social and cultural well-being. Overall development, there should be overall development in the socially, like that should main objective of the sustainable development is to improve the health, improve the social and the cultural well-being. Next is the cultural diversity. There should all the cultural should have the equal place, that should build the sensitivity towards all the there should be a sensitivity towards all the cultures and the celebrating the diversity. Also, that we should respect all the cultures. That is everyone should respect all the cultures, and they should celebrate the diversity between the cultures also. This is the main aim of the objectives of the sustainable development. Next is the importance of the sustainable development and what measures to be taken for the sustainable development. The next is the what measures that should be taken for the sustainable development. For creating a sustainable development, what points we should be taken, what things we should follow for the sustainable development. First is the proper use of the resources. we should all learn to use the, we should all learn that how we can use the proper use of, how we can do the proper use of the resources, that we should not waste the resources like the minerals, coals, petroleum, water, etc. That we should be the, we should use it without the wastage. It will help to conserve and protect the environment. Next is development of the positive attitude. Next is, it means sustainable development brings a change in the people's knowledge, attitude and the skills towards the environment, makes people aware of their responsibility. Every people should be aware of their responsibility to use and preserve the natural resources like ocean, forest, land, ecosystem, etc. That we should consider that it is our responsibility, that we should not waste the natural resources, and that is shared by all, and everyone should, it is the responsibility of the everyone towards saving the resources. So it helps to conserve the natural and the social environment. Next is the integrated socio-economic development. That is, the socio-economic development means that is the progress of the health, education, culture, agriculture, tourism and the social. That is the prime importance for the development of the human being, that we should have a integrated approach for the socio-economic development. Next is the development based on the people's participation. The aim of the sustainable can be achieved only when the maximum number of the people are participating and promoting it. So we should aware the peoples about the benefits of the sustainable development, so the many people will try to participate in this. Next is the limited development. Sometimes development is done more than it is needed. The limited development means that is the undesirable development result in the depletion of the already limited non-renewable resource globally. So sustainable developments promotes the concept of limited developments that is not driven by the greed. It means that should be a sustainable development, that should be limited development, but it doesn't mean that we should use the already we should not consider the undesirable development. It may lose the some resources globally. So we should consider the limited development, but that should be beneficial for us. Next is the long-lasting development. Sustainable development aims at the long-lasting development. It emphasizes on continuing the present development without destroying the earth means and the resources. मतलब that should be a long-lasting development. It should not, it means ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि कुछ टाइम के बाद जो भी हमने मेंटेन किया, डेवलप किया, वो ख़राब हो जाए. it should not destroy the earth means and the resources, but जो भी डेवलपमेंट हमने सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट के अंदर किया, that should be the long lasting development. Now your next topic is international efforts to promote and implement the sustainable development. There are the many efforts that is done by the internationally that are. Next are the international efforts for the sustainable development. In 1992, there is the UN Conference on the Environment and the Development. There was one conference was organized in the United Nations on the Environment and the Development. Next, in 1997, the Kyoto Protocol was signed for the sustainable development. Next, in 2015, the UN Framework Conventions on the climate changes, that are the climate is changing day by day. Then there was one meeting was held on the UN Framework Convention. In the UN Framework Convention, in 2016, the UN Sustainable Development Summit was done, and in 2019 there are the Special Climate Summit for the Special Climate Summit was. That will convince about the government, private sector and the civil society that will find the solutions to accelerate the actions for the climate changes. These all are the efforts that is done by the internationally for the sustainable development. These all actions, these all conferences are working to help the people access for the clean, improve energy efficiency and increase the use of the renewable source of energies. So these are all about the sustainable development. And the next topic is what are the aim goals of the sustainable developments. Main goal of the sustainable development. Next, what are the main goals of the sustainable development? Sustainable environment. The main is sustainable environment or sustainable development is that there should be a no poverty, there should be a no hunger, there should be good health and the well-being, clean water and sanitization, there should be quality education and the gender equality, that we should give the respects to all the cultures, and affordable and the clean energy. That all the main goals for the sustainable development, in which there will be the no losses of the resources and all will get the benefit of it, and it will not be harmful for the future generation. This is the goals of the sustainable development. These are next, the sustainable development, the challenge. This is not an important topic, but up to here you have to do this. The main topics we have covered in this, that is what is sustainable development, definition of this. Next is what are the principles of this. Next, what are the main objectives of this. Next, what measures, what precautions we should taken for the sustainable development. And next, what are the international efforts for this. And the next, what are the main goals of the sustainable development. So this is all about this. Now I am giving 2 questions related to this that you have to write down. These are 4 questions related to this chapter which you have to write down in your notebook. First is what is sustainable development. In this which you have to write down the definition of the sustainable development with small diagram. Next, write 4 objectives of the sustainable development. Any 4 objectives you have to write down. Next, what measures should be taken for the sustainable development. You can write any 4 measures that we should taken for the sustainable development. And next, what are the goals of the sustainable development? What are the main aims of the sustainable development? These 4 questions you have to write down in your notebook. Now the part A is completed. There were the 5 units in the part A. First was related to the communication, next related to the stress, third related to your technology, and the fourth related to your entrepreneurship skills, and the fifth is related to your sustainable development. And I have given you questions, and please complete your notebook, because on the basis of your notebooks you will get your internal marks. So this is all about this chapter, and complete your notebook. And next week I will take your live class I will take your doubts and your live class for your attendance and for your doubts and your any queries. So till then, complete your notebooks and have a nice day.